Good morning, guys. So I am Mars, and this is my channel, Mars Buzz. So this morning, I will try my best to share it with you regarding the things that I have learned while I'm staying in Japan. So I'm in Japan right now, so I will share with you about 5 things that you must do while you are in Japan. Okay, stay tuned. First, okay, you have to learn how to speak Nihongo or Japanese. Nihongo is the language here in Japan. So Japanese are the people. So when you will be in Japan, so you need to speak their language so that you will be able to communicate with people. So that's very important. Well, in my case, for example, I can't speak well Nihongo. I'm a foreigner here, so I am not very good in speaking language. So that is the first thing that you will do. Like for example, when I was in the grocery, or when we were in the grocery store, the cashier or even the staff in the grocery store cannot communicate with me, or I cannot communicate with them because they cannot speak English, or if they can speak English, well, maybe 3 words or 5 words will do in a conversation. But the whole thing there is they really want they cannot use they did not use English in their conversation. So it's very important that when you come to Japan, you have to learn their language. And if you want to stay here, you have to speak their language, which is Nihongo. So in my case, I'm trying my best to speak with their language. Okay, second thing that you will do here is uh, you have to finish your food on the plate. Japanese people are very kind and they are very polite, and they really, if they like you, they really want to offer something, and that something is very good. It's a custom here in Japan that when somebody offers you something to eat, you have to finish your food right after there. So there should be nothing left on your plate. That is polite for them. If you saw them eating and after eating it's finished, but on my case, if I'm full enough eating my food, then that's the time that I sometimes left aside and put it on the refrigerator and I will eat later. But in their case, I was being corrected many times, okay, with my husband, that you have to eat the food on the plate, or else he would think that I'm not polite person when it comes to eating my food on the plate. Oh, come on. Okay, next, number 3. Okay, in Japan, people, we use the escalator, and the escalator, there are a lot of people using everywhere, and then it's a very busy day. So what you're going to do is you're going to always stay at the right side or on the left side of the escalator. You don't have to stay at the center, because if you stay at the center, you're being the one at the center, then it's very rude and it's impolite for them. So to show your politeness, you have to stay at the side. So if you're going up, so if you're going down, you have to stay at the left side. If you're going up of the escalator, rather, you're going to stay at the right side. So that is polite for them, that you have to do while staying here. A lot of people are doing that one, so please. And of course, they are waiting for a line, waiting for their turn to be on the escalator. I saw them in the subways and a lot of trains. So when we went to Ikebukuro and a lot of here in Tokyo, I saw Japanese are doing that most of their life. So it's a very busy day for them, but they are really following that rule, staying on that side and this side. Okay, how can I do that? Like this. Okay, number 4. You have not to pick some flowers or some grapes in the neighbors. Now here, just 5 meters away from our house, I saw so pretty and very yummy grapes, but I cannot pick it up. Why? Because policeman will come in 5 minutes if the owner will call that police person, because somebody will pick up the grapes. So please do not pick up the grapes of your neighbor, or even get something. Don't get something from your neighbor's stuff, or else the police will come and catch you, or you'll be put in the prison. Just kidding. But anyway, that's one. Let the stuff, leave it there. Do not get something from your neighbor's house. Just watch it. Don't ever get that stuff. Even picking flowers in the garden, or in the public places, or in the park, you are not allowed to do that. I am not allowed to do that. I'm just watching them. I'm not picking it up. Okay, next, let's have number 5. Okay, when we have to have an appointment, be on time. When you will set an appointment for something, or for business purposes, like if you really want to go to, for example, in the hair salon, and then you really want to set an appointment, and you have to be on time. If in case you are late, then please call the person immediately. You have to inform the person that you will be late. An appointment if you want to go to the hospital, or even to your neighbor's house. So you have to set an appointment. Oh my God. It's gonna be like, oh. I hope you like this video, guys. And if you like this video, and please click the subscribe button over there. And please watch my channel and share this one to your friends. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimashita.